Imagine a world where huge celebrities and influencers with millions of followers would have to declare when a photo of them is edited. Would it mean that they would just avoid editing altogether? Would it mean better self-esteem for the masses? In the same way that celebrities and influencers have to legally disclose that something is an ad when they're being paid to promote it on their social media, if a new bill gets passed in the UK, celebrities might legally have to say if a photo of them is photoshopped. Khloe Kardashian is quaking in her boots right now. What's gravy? This is Inform Overload. I'm Charlotte Dobre, serving you spicy trending news updates with a side of potatoes since 2015. Subscribe, turn on the bell, follow us on socials. Let's get into the tea. I think we've all come to terms with the fact that Instagram is not an accurate representation of reality. Digital retouching is so accessible now, anyone can be a Photoshop or Facetune artist. But even though we know practically everything on social media is either fake or a watered down version of the truth, that doesn't mean that social media apps that share photos and videos like Instagram are not affecting our self-esteem. In fact, some experts are saying that we are dealing with a mental health crisis. One of those experts is British Member of Parliament Dr. Luke Evans, who has drawn up a bill that would ban celebrities from secretly using Photoshop and Facetune on their social media pages to alter their body or face. Dr. Evans added that celebrities have a responsibility not to mislead the young, and honestly, I think that's a splendid idea. Why is it the law for celebrities and influencers to have to disclose if something is an advertisement, but it is not the law for celebrities to disclose if they have altered their bodies or faces? Something tells me though that these people would not be celebrities if they were actually like if we actually saw what they really look like, I feel like we wouldn't follow them as much. According to a study by the Royal Society of Public Health, Instagram is the worst app for mental health among young people, which is a scary thing because young people and teenagers especially are glued to their phones. The study said that Instagram is associated with high levels of anxiety, depression, bullying, and fear of missing out. It also fosters a negative body image and poor sleep habits. So it's no surprise that lawmakers want to try to find ways to change this and ease this apparent mental health crisis for young people. And one of the ways they want to do that is by making celebrities disclose in their posts if their body is altered in the photo. The news that a bill would make secretly editing your photos illegal was shared on Twitter by Mike Sington in a now viral tweet that used Khloe Kardashian's recent Photoshop scandal as an example. He tweeted, "Proposed law in the UK would make celebrities label as edited photos posted to Instagram that are photoshopped. Members of Parliament. Edited photos on Instagram are fueling a mental health crisis because they're creating a warped sense of beauty." For those that haven't seen our videos on Khloe's Photoshop scandal, Khloe Kardashian posted a photo set to Instagram back in May of 2020 that got a lot of people talking. She looked amazing in this photo set, but she also looked like a totally different person. Then a couple of weeks ago, a fan on Twitter actually found the episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians that was shot on the same day that this photo set was taken. The side-by-side comparison was used in the now viral tweet announcing the new proposed law. Now, many people came to Khloe's defense arguing that she's been bullied all her life by the media, by her sisters and mother, and mass cyberbullied for being the quote-unquote ugly Kardashian. And she's totally not, man. Like, it bothers me that she even feels like she has to edit herself because that's like the best she's ever looked. Like, she looks incredible, just not edited. I don't get it. Anyone who's experienced what Khloe has though would probably have really low self-esteem, and they probably might want to compete with their other sisters, or they probably want to ease the amount of criticism that they get. But the problem is that everybody knows that she's being untruthful. Here were responses to that viral tweet. "She's beautiful. I don't understand the need to alter yourself to such an extent for a social media post." Next, "Because everyone bullied her for years, calling her the fat and ugly one. People care about mental health until it comes to the people that they're bullying." I think making it a law to disclose when a photo's been digitally altered is a good idea, but I also think it might do a lot of harm as well. What if someone is just genuinely gorgeous and they don't edit their photos? Wouldn't that make us feel crappy about ourselves too, to know that they're that way naturally and it's completely unattainable? And also, would these celebrities have to declare what they have edited, or just say that a photo is edited and leave it up for assumption? I do think that culturally we are headed in a direction of accepting all body types and just, natural beauty and people without makeup. What was once seen as a flaw is now seen as a unique quality that makes us special. I'm seeing all these really cool images of like stretch marks, and then they have them like edited to make them look like waves, like ocean waves. People are smart enough nowadays to find out if you've been editing your photos. There's entire Instagram accounts dedicated to exposing celebrity Photoshop and plastic surgery. And I think most of the influencers I know are terrified of someone finding out that they edit their photos and that they'll be exposed, so they're just deciding to be real with their followers about how they actually look. But again, we've got a long way to go. like a long way to go. Why don't you tell me your thoughts? Do you think that celebrities should disclose if they have edited their photos? Let me know in those comments. For now, I'm gonna quickly wrap this one up with some comment features. Amanda Berry said, I love you, Shar Shar. All other internet news reporters are inferior. Bow to me, queen of internet news reporters. Jen Boogie said, we'd love to see a minimalist queen. I do love me some minimalism. I like black. A lot of black. With like pops of neon. Michelle said, are you wearing a prison jumpsuit? Who dresses you? I do. Did you get your personality at Walmart? At R Us? That's it for me. Thanks for watching. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more. I'll see you guys next time.